Mijung Ferangte, Lama Kahamni Shanmu Shani, Roishabari Simi, Gonda Tisha ni Simi, Omorpur Thangmani, Lahar Kashu like Amzani Buri Rock.
We call ambulance. No ambulance is ready to come to our village because of the road. And and the sick people or the lay people, even if they wanted to come for emergency, no vehicle is ready to go there. Why? Because there is no road. And today, because of the road problem, we have no water to drink. We have no water to use. What we use water is actually a muddy clay, and we cannot even consume that. If we consume that, we will get diarrhea, cholera, or different kinds of sicknesses. For example, now COVID-19 is going on, and in this period, if we use this type of water, how we will survive? So our request is to the government of India as well as government of Tripura and the local government here, ruling government as well as who are looking over the Panchayat and blocks, PWDs, DWS. We want to give a clear message that we need proper road immediately within this month, because as far as our concern now and our immediate report, government is ready to give us water facilities in our villages, but because of the road problem, they are not ready to come to install that kind of tube wells or bore wells in our villages.